Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Kim. Today we're going to be learning the sound of this letter. Do you know the short sound of this letter? It's eh. Let's say that together 3 times. Eh, eh, eh. Very good. Now I'm going to show you 3 words that start with the eh sound. Elephant, egg, elbow. Do you hear the eh sound? Elephant, egg, elbow. Now let's use our bodies to help us remember the eh sound. When I say go, I'm going to have you tap your elbow like this. We're going to start off really slow, then go faster and faster. Are you ready? Go. Eh, 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 eh. Good job. Now let's play our sounds game. I'm going to show you 3 pictures. Which of these 3 pictures starts with the eh sound? Fish, egg, ball. Fish, egg, ball. That's right, it's egg. Very good job learning your eh sound today. I'll see you next time for the next letter.